Welcome to our tutorial on how to prevent Facebook from accessing your media on your PC. Let's walk through the steps together. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to facebook.com. Make sure you are logged into your Facebook account. Next, look for the padlock icon located next to the web address in the browser's address bar. Click on View Site Information to access more details about the site. Within the Site Information panel, locate and click on Site Settings. This will direct you to the settings page where you can manage various permissions for Facebook. Under the Permissions section, you will find a list of permissions that Facebook has. Here, you can disable the specific permissions that you want to prevent Facebook from accessing, such as your media files. By following these simple steps, you can take control over the permissions granted to Facebook on your PC, enhancing your privacy and data security. Disabling permissions related to media access helps in protecting your personal content and maintaining control over what Facebook can see and use. Empower yourself to protect your media privacy by adjusting site permissions according to your preferences and security requirements. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope this guide assists you in securing your media files and enhancing your privacy while using Facebook on your PC.